so dark!
Look at those clouds! They're moving way too fast! Heard that, Wheels? Looks like our quiet shift just got interesting. Let's spool up.
We're airborne, Ace! Turbulence is already severe. That's not just a storm, Cap! That's a city ender! We have to get closer! Wheels! Stabilize the chopper!
Roger that, Captain! Brace for impact!
What's going on here?
Oh no, we're all doomed!
I can't believe it. Unbelievable! It's lifting whole structures! How is this possible?
Any available units, respond! I repeat, respond! We've lost contact!
Engine 2 is failing, Captain. We're losing altitude fast.
I see it, Lieutenant. Prepare for emergency landing sequence. Brickhawk 1 holding steady.
Got a visual. Civilian on Sector Gamma 7. Partially exposed building. Looks like a kid.
Coordinates locked, Cap. It's gonna be a rough approach.
Roger that. Control. Going in. Hold tight, Wheels.
Get clear of the vortex!
It's taking the whole station!
Help! Somebody help! My building! It's going to go too!
I see her. Just ahead, through the brick fog.
A helicopter! They found me! Hunt me! Hi! I got it! Got her! She's on the line! Bring her in! You're safe now, kiddo! You're safe!
Good work, Wheels. Now let's get out of here before this thing decides to swallow us whole.
We're flying out! It's breaking apart! We made it!
You were very brave, kid. Very brave.
It's gonna take years to rebuild. If we even can.
We're Lego citizens, Wheels. We always rebuild. That's what we do.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for saving me.
We did what we could, Commander. It was a miracle we got her out. She took a beating, but she'll fly again, just like Lego City.